The team at Alco Manufacturing's Lakeshore facility was recently awarded for excellence in quality as a 2020 top supplier from customer Delta Faucet, leaders in the kitchen and bath faucet industry. Alco CEO Matt Dietrich and Sydney Cherry from Delta addressed employees at the award ceremony at the Alco Grand Haven facility in Michigan.
We're so pleased to have one of our good customers, Delta, here. Sydney and Chris from purchasing and from quality are here to, in addition to meetings we had upstairs on a number of topics related to new business we're looking at for this factory. We're here to receive a quality award, which is really a quality award for all of you. So they're recognizing our performance in terms of being a really good supplier and across a number of dimensions, including quality, on-time delivery.
We are very pleased and very excited to award Lakeshore with the 2020 and Excellence in Quality Award for all of your hard work that you did throughout the challenges that we had in COVID, with the increased volumes that we had from our business. We appreciate you. We could not do it without you.
This is a real honor for not only quality, but for the whole Alco team to be recognized by Delta Faucet for our high-end quality precision parts. Here at Alco, we have lots of stages of quality, from the engineers to the operators to the quality team, to make sure that we get good quality parts out to our customers.
From an engineering standpoint, working with Delta is great. The prints are always top-notch and the expectations are very clear, and that makes it very easy for us to provide them with top quality parts.
Delta Faucet enjoys doing business with Alco Lakeshore Manufacturing due to the ease of business. Customer service, quality, engineering, delivery are all stellar.
For high-quality precision machine parts, visit alco.com.